so I can get 2 leg pieces out of it. 10 plus a little. That wasn't terribly perfect. That's what I want. Little more. Wow, I thought it was closer. Yeah, I'm all the way through there. Touching here. Oh, it's the other side. There you go. Oh, wow, that was quite a bow off in there. And more there. 1, 2, 3. This one needs to come up. 1. Happy. Oop. Get this out of the way. Where those are. Wait, are you recording? Stop, stop. Don't record this. Then you pan over to the drill sitting right beside. Oh. And there you go. Look at that. All by hand. Isn't that pretty? That's where I want it to be. Now, are we still square? I'll come at that one from the end. Here, I'll do this. That doesn't happen very often. First try. And this one here and here. Marking knife. A mark right there. And a mark right there. That one's better. It's a little on the tight side there. So I got slop that way, but I'm pinching over here. Lets me know I need to work on this side some more. What does tell you? Now, heads up. Let's see how close our marks are this way. That looks pretty close. That is bigger that way. Why are we bigger that way? Oh, because you're fatter? Well, we need to adjust that. We are tight, we are tight, we are tight. This one needs to go in there. This one needs to go into here. Is that the right direction? Oh, it's the wrong direction. Lift it up. There. One corner of the ping pong table. So, there you have it. This is one corner of the timber-framed ping pong table. And there'll be another brace like this on the opposite side. And this is actually the short side of the ping pong table. So the players over here playing. Yeah. I thought it'd be a rather simple thing because we're just making the base for it, but we're gonna have some fun. Now, this is actually going to a camp. It's the same camp where my daughter goes, and the director there, we were talking with him, and come to find out, they have to replace the ping pong table quite regularly because they just get destroyed by the teens, and no one makes a crazy heavy-duty ping pong table that's not fold-up. So I said, well, I can make a timber-framed ping pong table. You can put the whole camp up there and dance around on it, and that's what we're doing. So this will be one of the last videos in this particular shop, and I'll actually be finishing this up once I move to the new shop. So it's gonna be a while until this one is done, so stay tuned. But we are going to be having some more fun with this in the future. So let me know your thoughts on this down below. What could I do better? What could I have fun with? Throw those comments down there. It means a lot, as well as hitting the like, share, subscribe, or being those people that put comment down below. Thank you. It really helps us out. It gets us in front of more people, helps the channel grow. So many things along that way. Thank you. But if you really want to be amazing, you want to be wonderful, benevolent, and your own timber-framed kind of personality, think about joining these people over here. Those are some of the patrons on Patreon. And between patrons and members, you guys are the ones that make this happen. So I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. So one odd thing about this build is this material I'm working with. It's red oak. Ew.